In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in CapCut on PC. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in your own audio files and how to browse CapCut's built-in audio so you can choose the method that works best for your project. Start by opening CapCut on your computer and creating a new project. When the project window opens, you'll see the timeline at the bottom and your media area at the top left. This is where your clips and audio will live. Creating a project gives you a clean timeline to work with and ensures your music lines up with your video from the start. If you already have a music file saved on your computer, import it into CapCut. You can do this by clicking the import button in the media area or by simply dragging your audio file like an MP3 or WAV straight into the CapCut interface. Once it appears in your media bin, drag the music down to the timeline, drop it onto one of the audio tracks beneath your video tracks. You'll see a waveform appear, which helps you spot beats and quiet moments. Place the beginning of the music where you want it to start and press play to preview how it syncs with your visuals. If you need to nudge it slightly earlier or later, just click and drag the clip along the timeline until it feels right. If the audio looks tiny on the timeline, use the zoom controls so you can position it more precisely. If you don't have a file on hand, you can also choose music from CapCut's audio library. Look for the audio section in the toolbar. Inside, you'll find categories, recommendations, and a search bar to help you explore tracks. Click the play icon next to any song to preview it. When you find something that fits the mood of your video, add it to your project with a single click, and it will appear in your timeline on an audio track. Just like with imported files, you can drag the track to the exact spot you want it to start and preview the results. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut and create a project, bring in your own audio, or pick a track from CapCut's library and place it on the timeline where it enhances your video. Take a moment to listen through and make sure the music complements the pacing of your edit. With these options, you'll be able to add music quickly and keep your workflow smooth.